We're here at Pilgrim's Oak Golf Club, built in 1996. We're going to talk about the history of this golf course, it being an old dairy farm, and some of the remnants of that Amish feel that this course has. If you're in the Philadelphia area, this is going to be a course you're going to want to take a look. Being built in 1996 by Dr. Michael Hurdzan, the course has a ton of history. The course was also ranked number 13 in the top 100 by Golf Digest.
To be on time, clubs got stuck, now I'm falling behind. Public transit ain't for golf, no way. You can't chip or drive on a subway. Fairways call.
Take a look here at Pilgrim's Oak Golf Course or Club. Take a look
here.
To
walk through the history of a course built in 1996 by a retired U.S. Army colonel. Hurdzan's design here was focused on integrating the course's seamless nature that is surrounding. Now, the design overall is a link-style design and somewhat unusual characteristics of a parkland-style course. It stretches 7,043 yards from the back tees and is a par 72 with a slope of 138 and a rating from the USGA of a 73.4. It's a challenging course from those back tees. Now, if you bring it up to the front tees, it's about 6,700 yards. It's considered a 4.0 on Golf Digest annually, and Golf Magazine, again, has rated one of the best courses you can play in Pennsylvania more times often than not. It's a course that I've had on my radar, and I was grateful enough to finally get over here and play this course that screams brightness. It was just a vibrant scene here. The course is in unbelievable maintained condition in comparison to other courses maybe in the New Jersey area, but this is a good one here. You can see right off the bat it kind of feels like a country club golf course with how bright and scenic it is off of Google Maps. However, from everything I'm reading, it doesn't look like it ever was a private facility. Being opened in 1996, you'd be able to find some good information on it, and it seems to have always been a public golf course. Now, I paid $25 to walk 9 holes here, so rates are extremely affordable. Might be worth the trip if you haven't played this golf course yet. It's located in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and is a 4.4 out of 5 with 266 Google reviews to choose from, all of them being very positive. Have you played this golf course? Let us know down in the comment section what your opinion was. I kind of enjoyed it for $25. Go out here, play the facility like this. You got to play on the weekends. It's going to be a little bit more. We'll talk about those rates right now. I don't like talking about them because they typically go up so much at some of these golf courses that they're not even consistent. But if you were to ride the golf course at peak conditions in the summer, it looks like it'd be about $62, about $73 total with a card. So that's pretty affordable if you're a weekend golfer. The weekdays definitely drops down, and then those twilight rates and then walking rates are pretty affordable here. Sometimes that's when they get you. Let us know down in the comment section if you like this course in comparison to other courses. We have also played Tanglewood Manor, and I thought that was a very nice facility as well. Do I put this one over it? I don't know. You have to take a look at our other video of Tanglewood. But more importantly, we're going to be getting out here in the near future. We're going to need your help. If you have any information about these golf courses, any more of the golf designers, put it down in the comment section. We want to make sure we preserve some of this history, at least of the course's architects, and more importantly, as it makes changes and redesigns, we would like to know any of that, because we're just not going to be able to keep up with that information here, as we're just an independent golf channel out here. Sometimes going, playing a little golf and recording, but more importantly, having as much fun as we can. That's what the purpose of you going out there and learning about this golf course. More importantly, just have as much fun as you can. We're going to talk about that on some of our other videos. If you're looking to learn a little bit more about positivity in the golf game, stick around here with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. If not, put a little like down in the comment section, and at least put a comment down below whether you don't like the video or if you like the video. This course, you're going to like everything about it. Also, the driving range that we forgot to mention. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more